trust in the Lord till I die, till I die. Oh. The fuck? Put on damn gloves. What the shit is this? Up in my damn house. Motherfucker. The hell? Say Domo! Domo! What is this? What is this?
I can't see what that is.
Don't play with me.
I think that's a condom.
Why was this in your pocket? And where's the rest?
I do it.
Little boy, are you fucking in my house?
No, Ma. I swear I haven't. No.
Because if you've been fucking in my house, you need to be paying some of these damn bills.
I was not. Having sex in your house.
Look here, you can't be in my house doing grown man activities if you ain't ready to have grown man responsibilities.
I know, Ma.
Because you already know I am too young to be somebody's grandmama, nana, Gigi, or whatever. You better get your life, boy. Me having that shit up in my house.